Hello guys. When there are iciness storms inside the forecast, it is critical to ensure your houses and automobiles are stocked with the whole thing you may want. If there is one element you do not need to be without, it is a dependable ice scraper. Plus, a number of the highest quality ice scrapers have integrated snow brushes, getting rid of the want for a second tool. Today in this video we had listed 5 best snow brush with ice scraper in 2021. Let's get started the list. Number 5, Moydia Snow Brush with Ice Scraper. It consists of snow brush and ice scraper with jaws. It's far and green device to take away ice and snow out of your vehicle without difficulty. This ice scraper comes with jaws for take away thick ice. The snow brush for sweeping away free snow. With removable design, Moydia ice scraper and snow brush is split into 3 elements like handle, brush head and ice scraper whilst you obtain it. It is straightforward, a good way to collect for the use of and disassemble for garage or deliver round with accessible bag comes along. With non-slip and ergonomic grip, you may without difficulty press the button to rotate brush head at 360 degrees, locking in a horizontal or vertical direction, which makes it handy, a good way to smooth the snow extra correctly at distinctive directions. The brush hair is fabricated from unique remedy bristle, which has strong bases however smooth ends, making sure to address heavy snow without scratching your vehicle paint. This snow mover can expand from 25 inches to 32 inches for longer attain. It's easily attain the center of your windshield or the middle of your vehicle roof. It wrapped with smooth to contact foam, it maintains a number of the icy bloodless off your palms even as imparting greater comfort. The pole is fabricated from iron, long-lasting for a long time period use. Be fabricated from long-lasting PP plastic fabric and geared up with jaws. It is able to without difficulty split the thick ice with jaws, after which scraping away with scraper. Used collectively with snow brush, you may take away ice and snow extra correctly and smooth up your cars. Number 4, Oxgord Snow Brush with Ice Scraper. It engineered to face up to freezing bloodless climate with high power temperature resistant aluminium and ABS parts. You may easy and select out ice off your vehicle with this miracle worker. The gentle foam hand grip makes it smooth to dismiss snow and scrape beneath ice without unfavorable the windshield or your hand. You also can use all of its 12 months spherical to do away with different particles. The multi-motive device scrapes and gets rid of ice, snow and different iciness particles with the ice scraper and snow brush. You may even use it as an ice select out to easy out your freezer. It measuring simply 17.5 inches long, it is compact and narrow layout makes it great for smooth garage whilst now no longer in use. It conveniently keep this scrapers for your vehicle's trunk. You do not need to depend upon your windshield wipers to clean off the snow. It easily brush snow off of your windshield, facet home windows and rear window for optimum visibility even as at the road. You have to in no way entirely depend upon your vehicle's defrost putting to soften the ice for your windshield. Use Oxgord Ice Scraper to fast do away with ice to be able to assist growth visibility and decrease the hazard of your home windows cracking. Not all fingers are the same, that's why the Manage is designed to effortlessly healthy fingers of any length even if carrying gloves. Number 3, Bird Rock Snow Brush with Ice Scraper. The Bird Rock Snow Brush with Ice Scraper is the remaining snow brush or ice scraper answer so that it will be long-lasting, sufficient to preserve up in any iciness weather. It equipped with a 270 rotating head permitting you to set the comb on the top rated position. The snow brush without difficulty eliminates snow and ice from vehicle windshield, pinnacle and hood. The snow brush scraper extends as much as 60 inches permitting you to put off the hard to attain wallet of snow and ice, making it best for large cars, vans and RVs. The ice scraper capability is a scratch loose ice scraper and icebreaker combo. Use the jaws to interrupt up the ice, then use the flat scraper to put off it. The ice scraper is detachable for quicker and simpler use. The snow scraper comes with 3 separate units. It comes with foam head snow brush, ice scraper and telescoping extender. The piece all of it collectively whilst in use or separate it for smooth garage whilst now no longer in season. The snow scraper is ready with foam grips for extra pleasant contact but lightweight sufficient for smooth mobility. Second last, Astro AI Snow Brush with Ice Scraper. The Astro AI Snow Brush and Ice Scraper won't go away you stranded with snow piling up for your automobile. Every function of this brush changed into designed to overcome the factors and always be a device you may depend on. This snow brush and ice scraper blend will ultimate through the harshest, longest winters. The bristles of the Astro AI Snow Brush are product of layers of PVC that is made to be durable, however without detrimental your automobile. The base of the comb hairs are robust and temperature resistant in order that they won't come to be brittle or smash below load. The pointers of the hairs are gentle and won't scratch your automobile's paint at the same time as brushing away snow. It quickly casts off even the thickest ice from automobile windshields. The frozen windshields are nearly not possible to defrost, however the usage of the incorporated ice scraper in this snow brush will make defrosting easy. The knuckles at the lower back of the ice scraper can cut up thick slabs of ice with ease. There are 4 rows of brush bristles are robust at the bottom and gentle at the ends which supplying a robust base without detrimental automobile frame panels. The brush and scraper may be indifferent and feature independently. The joint buckle is product of high-energy plastics. The knuckles at the lower back of the scraper will cut up big chunks of ice, making scraping your windshield even less difficult. The ice scraper is product of temperature-resistant high-energy ABS plastic, shaped to make scraping windshields less difficult than ever, and the first we listed Mallory Snow Brush with Ice Scraper. The Mallory Snow Brush with Ice Scraper is cool force snow brush leverages pattern insights, offering unmatched, powerful snow and ice elimination innovations. Its compact ergonomic layout and lightweight frame makes it clean to shop and use. With built primarily based totally upon pattern input, this snow and ice elimination device consists of a thick snow brush and contour ice scraper with offset chippers. The offset ice chippers at the windshield scraper permits to you without difficulty reduce through hard ice, at the same time as the contouring blade leaves your windshield smooth for exceptional visibility. Flip the comb over and use the thick bristle brush to attend to moist or thick fluffy snow, without difficulty. Plus, with a compact length of 25 inches, you could without difficulty shape this vehicle snow scraper for your automobile so that you are organized for any location or iciness climate. It makes certain you're organized for the climate with the Mallory Snow Brush and Ice Scraper for cars, trucks, SUVs, minivans and more. These 5 are the best snow brush with ice scrapers. You can choose any one for your use. For any information about all these snow brushes and ice scrapers, visit to the links in the description box. Please like the video, share your ideas in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon for the next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, goodbye.